Ma'am, you are here to support Prishita today and her brand Tanasi. What would you like to say and what are you expecting?
I'm expecting a lot because ये पहले ऑलरेडी ऐलान हो चुका है कि डायमंड्स आर अ गर्ल्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड. तो मैं यहाँ देखने आई हूँ उनका पूरा कलेक्शन. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. तो मुझे थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया दिया था उन्होंने, बट आज मैं देखने आई हूँ अपनी ही आंखों से पूरा कलेक्शन. देखिए, ऐसा है कि बचपन से लेकर अभी तक फिल्मों में मैं बहुत ज्वेलरी पहन चुकी हूँ, बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा. तो जब मैं जैसे एयरपोर्ट जाती हूँ, कहीं ट्रैवल कर रही होती हूँ या कहीं जैसे मेरे फ्रेंड्स के यहाँ जाती हूँ, तो मैं बिल्कुल बगैर ज्वेलरी के जाती हूँ क्योंकि पहन पहन के मुझे. बट ऑब्वियसली फंक्शंस में जैसा कि आपने देखा, मैंने अभी ये खूबसूरत इयररिंग्स पहने. ये मुझे एक्चुअली गिफ्ट किए हैं मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने. तो ऑब्वियसली फंक्शंस में जाते हैं, शादियों में जाते हैं, फेस्टिवल्स में हर लड़की हर औरत ड्रेसअप करना चाहती है और अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े अच्छे जेवर पहनना चाहती है. तो उसी तरह मैं आम सब लेडीज़ की तरह हूँ.
जो प्रोडक्ट है आपने देखा होगा.
मैं अभी देखने जा रही हूँ, लेकिन जो फोटोग्राफ्स में देखा है बहुत खूबसूरत है.
What best wishes would you like to give to Prishita?
So all my good wishes to Prishita and I wish her all the luck in future because ये आई थिंक हर एक बिजनेस में कंपटीशन होता है, तो एक हेल्दी कंपटीशन लेकर अगर वो चलती हैं तो आई थिंक शी इज गोइंग टू गो अ लॉन्ग वे. एंड आई थिंक इफ यू आर ट्रू टू योर वर्क एवरीथिंग फॉल्स इन प्लेस. थैंक यू.
Okay. Attack.
Because you saw the pieces upstairs, how did you like it?
I actually was very surprised, not because of anything else. See, I've known her for some time and I've known her on a very personal level. So when she was launching her collection, I'm here to support her. Without realizing, she's very talented. है उसका दो पीसेस तो मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आए. एक तो तरफ जो रेंज है झुमकी का, हाथ वो वेट ही कम कर देता होगा. And there's also piece inspired by archery. And archery is something that we both love a lot. So I think that was also one of my favorites and highlights today.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, and thank you so much for coming.
Chalo.
Asiba, how excited are you to be here and what good wishes would you like to give to Tanasi?
I'm so excited. From my side, for Tanasi's best of luck, and I'm going to look forward. Thank you. Thank you. क्या? अच्छा, अपकमिंग कुछ म्यूजिक वीडियोस हैं, कुछ नेटफ्लिक्स की सीरीज है. सो इट विल बी कम सून. आई एम वेटिंग.
मुंबई में काफी दिनों बाद बारिश भी हुई है, मौसम बहुत सुहाना है. क्लाइमेट क्या कहना है?
बहुत ही बेकार मौसम है. सो हॉट. बारिश हो रही है बट नो, इट्स वेरी हॉट नाउअडेज.
You guys are here to support Prishita, her brand Tanasi. How much excited are you and what best wishes would you like to give it to her?
I love this brand Tanasi, and I'm here to support her because I love her design. The kind of different shades you have in the design and the kind of sparkle and new things in her design. I just love it, and I think I'm totally here to support her. And I just want to go, and I'm super excited that what exactly is she gonna show her. So I'm super happy.
Yeah.
So what would you like to say?
So, you know, no, when it is about jewelry and all that, so we get excited. We girls especially get excited. And I'm excited to be here, and my full support is with her. And it's good to be here.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
We love the earrings that you're wearing from Tanasi. What do you have to say?
Actually, I came here without earring, and it just suits me a lot. And I like the design. There is a very beautiful design. I think everyone should to try Tanasi, and from my side, best of luck for Tanasi. And I'm super excited for more designs. I will take more jewelries, and I think it's nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ankita, you're here for Prishita today. What are you expecting? What different unique collections you would like to see?
सी आई बिलीव दैट ज्वेलरी वुमेन की बेस्ट फ्रेंड होती है एंड वो हमें एनहांस करती है एंड इट जस्ट मेक्स अस इवन मोर प्रिटियर. सो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एलिमेंट होता है एक फीमेल के लिए, एक यू नो एक ब्यूटिफुल वुमेन के लिए. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड दैट देयर इज समथिंग न्यू दैट हैज कम एंड आई एम होपिंग टू एक्सप्लोर एंड बाय लॉट्स ऑफ ज्वेलरी. एक्चुअली आप लोग को खरीदना चाहिए है ना, हम लोग को नहीं खरीद लेंगे. We'll buy for you.
Thank you.
A big congratulations to Prishita, right? A big congratulations to Prishita. So yeah, see you all inside. Thank you.
Sonia, you saw the collection by Pranasi. How did you like it? What were your favorite jewelry collections among them?
Hi everyone, this is Sonia Birje and I have come for the launch of Pranasi Jewelry Year Pendants exhibition launch, I believe, and exquisite jewelry is what I can say. They are, I believe, and yeah, it's a fact, they are Polki diamonds and so beautifully done and they look luxurious and can't wait to get myself a pair. So yes. Check it out sometime. Pranasi, the brand to look out for.
What best wishes would you like to see to Prishita?
May they expand as a successful business and may they become the name and the brand of the country nationally and internationally. I wish them all the best.
Thank you so much.
So I'm super excited because इस event के लिए बड़े दिन से wait था मेरा. All the ladies like jewelry, who doesn't like, and Prishita ने बहुत अच्छा collection present किया है यहाँ पे. So I'm excited to see the whole collection and I really want to congratulate her. And Pranasi नाम भी बहुत ही serene और बहुत beautiful नाम रखा है. And मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे जितनी भी females आ रही हैं, they are going to enjoy it. Super excited today.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, you saw the collection upstairs. How did you like it? What were your favorite jewelry pieces among them?
So to be honest, I'm a big fan of uncut jewelry and Pranasi, as in the whole brand, is so pretty and some pieces are really nice and when you wear it, it looks really pretty and we were like wondering which one to pick up because we can't really decide. Pranasi's done a wonderful job and I really wish them all the best. All the best to Krishna. I just met her and she says that her collection has a lot more than what we are seeing. The small pendants and it's 14 carat jewelry, I think. Yeah, and the uncut diamonds are really pretty and I think it's trendy and very beautiful. I must say that everybody should try. Thank you.
Thank you.
So आज की जो collection है उसके अंदर हमें क्या-क्या what all is there special what you would like to know?
So मैंने actually I've created an array of earrings. So when you will see, I have tried to play with the different kinds of necklaces, different kind of earrings. So one of the necklace, it's inspired from the archery, archery, and even there are some of the earrings which are inspired from the nature. Yeah.
Totally inspired by the architecture of Jaipur. And what inspired her to make this all was as it has been an array of jewelry going up and running up into our family since ages. And very small age, she was very inclusive, to just know about whatever she wants to design or develop in the sense of that. And that inspired her to become one of the designers from her family.
आज आप आए यहाँ cocktail signature pieces है Prishita Sarvada जो designer है Pranasi brand है उनका. What would you like to say?
I am super excited to see because cocktail jewelries I really love and I'm looking forward to see how the jewelries are and have a great time here inside. As we all know, jewelries are the best friends of girls, so what's better than to have a great cocktail and see some great interesting jewelries here.
Which is your favorite piece of jewelry jewelry when you are dressing up?
Rings or earrings. Half the time I'm wearing earrings or rings, so that's my favorite.
Anything? Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, what would you like to talk about the event? What best wishes would you like to give to Prishita?
See, as I got the invite, I was more curious to see कि भक्ति नाम दिया है जो उनका creation है. The jewelry she's making for years, भक्ति. तो भक्ति में उन्होंने क्या create किया है मुझे वो देखना है. Because एक हम बोलते हैं temple jewelry होती है. So I want to see what she has created, and I love that in Bhakti plus Pranasi इनका brand है, which is again a beautiful thing. I still have to know कि Pranasi का meaning क्या है. You know the meaning? Pranasi? Okay, I'll ask her only. So I wish her all the very best, and if I can buy something nice, I shall buy it definitely. That's on the cards, and thank you so much. Bye bye.
And you saw the pieces upstairs. What would you like to tell?
Well, I love that old Prishita. I didn't know. I knew her as a small girl. So. But lovely jewelry. I really love the design, and I also love the way you incorporated your archery into it.
Yes. Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, and the best part was they're like big, but it's quite light.
Lightweight. Yeah.
I wish you all the very best
Thank you
for
so
it,
much.
and I'm sure she's gonna go places.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So nice serenity on your face. You know for Pranasi, Prishita Kharbanda's cocktail pieces. What do you have to say?
Lovely. Parul, thank you so much for this wonderful invite, and I am always up and always ready to support the women. So I'm very happy that entrepreneur like Prashita is here, a young entrepreneur like Prashita is here. And I really just now saw a beautiful jewelry collection, especially of jhumkas. And I love jewelry, I love jhumkas, I love wearing lots of ornaments, and I really thought the designs were really unique, especially the polki ones were very, very trendy. There were sleek designs, there were heavy designs, there were small designs. So all the different designs were of different sizes. So I'm sure she has kept in mind a choice of women, you know, especially for women. If you see, they need so many choices. अगर आप 100 साड़ियाँ भी दिखाएंगे तो भी बोलेंगे इससे नहीं 101 वाली दिखाइए, right? So I think you have kept and researched the liking of the women, and you have tried your level best to give them the variety of sizes and designs, polki, diamond, pearls, everything was there. And I'm really amazed. You're so young and you have come out with such a wonderful creativity. So I would like to congratulate on your this venture of yours. And I heard your parents were also in this business, and I think you have picked up the right field. And I'm going to definitely shop. I have definitely picked up 2 beautiful pieces, and I'm going to wear that on my saris. I normally love wearing saris, and those jewelries are like, it will go perfect on saris or Indian outfit. And also there were cocktail jewelry also which you had designed. So all the best, Prashita. And Pranasi is such a lovely, unique name. ऐसा नाम मैंने कहीं सुना नहीं है, पहली बार सुन रही हूँ. So I wish you all the best, and looking forward to shop more with Pranasi.
Of course, you're always welcome.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Well, I would like to say congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I haven't seen your jewelry yet, but I am sure it's gonna be rocking. मैं अभी अंदर जाने वाली हूँ और झुमका किसको पसंद नहीं है. So देखिए तभी मैं झुमका पहन के नहीं आई कि मुझे झुमका पहनना है. And your brand Pranasi, it sounds very unique name, very different name.
Thank you so much.
And I'm expecting the very, you know, classy,
Yes,
very
of course.
fashionable. But आज का जो trend है ना, it's more of fusion, more of classy. You know, it's like a mixture of everything.
Exactly.
So when there is a class and the fusion, something is unique coming up. So I am congratulating Pranasi and Shah for your brand, and Vishnu ji bless you always. And I'm looking forward for the jewelry. Thank you.
Today you are here to support Prishita and her brand Pranasi. What would you like to say, and what are you expecting today?
I'm expecting a lot of jewelry, beautiful chandelier earrings and lots of glitz, lots of glamour. I'm very fond of jewelry myself, though I'm not a very big jewelry person. Or I am also fond of very contemporary jewelry, like the kind that I'm wearing, which is a Rohit Verma design. So I'm just waiting and anticipating something very nice and exciting. Let's see how it is.
And what best wishes would you like to give to Prishita?
I wish them luck. I wish that they make a mark and they do something that is extraordinary and people appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you.